Filipino groups in the UK staged their own Christmas countdown, which started with a parol lighting. In some houses, Pinoys also showed off the iconic symbol of the Filipino Christmas, the Philippine-made parol.
Kasi gusto kong gano'n ng parol dito at least kakaiba, di ba?
Pero ang Pinoy yan ay ganito.
Ang mga inventa nila, oh. Yung mga usual na makikita mo sa tindahan dito. Pero wala naman silang ganyan.
The carolers from Filipino Catholic Community Choir in Kilburn did not grind into a halt, even with a forecast of snowfall during the night. They are visiting some 15 houses for the Christmas season. The proceeds will be donated to the victims of Typhoon Ondoy, and they will purchase instruments for the choir. The Pinoy family welcomed the carolers, and to save them from freezing up, the carolers had to proceed inside to sing Christmas carols, London style, but adding a unique Pinoy twist. Belting the most requested song, everyone in the house could not help but join in. Bro, Ikaw ang Star ng Pasko, the Christmas station ID of ABS-CBN, is the most requested song from the carolers by Pinoys in the UK.
In fact, nung inumpisa namin itong kantahin sa misa noong 13, we had lots of requests from people, from families na nakantahan na namin last year to do the same thing sa itong susunod na mga Christmas carol namin. So this is so in demand, itong Bro, Ikaw ang Star ng Pasko. It was really moving nung makita namin yung MTV sa TFC, lalo na nung makita namin na sa YouTube marami ring nag-upload ng version nila nung XXXMTV. So we thought about maybe why not kami naman ng mga taga London, maipahatid naman namin yung mensahe namin sa mga nasa lantaan ng Bagyo Ondoy. Well, people were asking, bakit daw bro? So gusto namin convey sa kanila na yung bro is just another word for Jesus. So gusto namin iparating sa tao na yung star talaga ng Pasko is Jesus Christ.
The carolers said every Filipino Christmas carol they sing helps them cope with homesickness, especially during this time of the year.
Para na rin kaming nasa Pilipinas, although na malayo kami sa aming pamilya, at para na rin kinakantahan namin sila.
Star ng Pasko.
London has become a home far away from home for many Pinoys here, but they said that nothing compares to celebrating Christmas the Filipino way. Rose Eclarinal, Europe News Bureau, London.